Good morning to you all, dear students. So today we will start with the new block, alright, that is block 12. And the topic of our discussion for today is coastal plains of India. Alright, so this will be the topic of our discussion for today. So let's get started. Aim for our class for today is students will be able to locate the coastal plains of India that is on the map. Okay, so students will be able to locate the coastal plains of India on the map. So resources required for our class is political map of India, atlas, that is book of map, worksheet S1, exit content book, and your notebook. So please get ready with these resources. So first of all, let's learn the meaning of the keywords. Okay, that is coast, coastline, fertile, delta. Alright, so let's learn the meaning of the term. What is coast, or what do you mean by coast? So in simple meaning of the term, coast means the edge of the land where it meets an ocean, sea, gulf, or large lake. They are known as coast. And what is coastline? The shape, outline, or boundary of a coast. They are known as coastline. And what is fertile? That is capable of growing abundant crops. Alright. And lastly, delta. A landform at the mouth of a river where it empties into a body of water. That is known as delta. Okay. So I hope now you're clear with the meaning of the term. Now I want all of you to observe this given picture carefully. Okay, this is a political map of India. So this is a political map of India. Alright. Okay, Indian political map. India state and union territories. India flag. Alright, and these are the state boundary as you can see. Okay, now I hope you have observed the map. Okay, you can even find in your textbook and atlas. So can you see the coast here? Can you see the coast here? In a given map, can you see the coast? As we have learned the meaning of what is coast, right? So can you see the coast here? And where is the coast? Can you name the states which have a coast? And name them. So look at the western side of the map, okay? Where is the coastline starting from the west? Where is the coastline starting from the east? Now move to the south. Where are the two coastline meeting? So look at the map. Alright, where can you see the coast? And these are the western side and these are the eastern side. Okay, so from the west, where is the coast starting? And from the east, where is the coast starting? And where are they both meeting? Okay, where are they both meeting? Where are the two coastline meeting? Coastline, I hope now you're clear, right? Coast means the edge of the land where it meets an ocean, sea, gulf, or large lake. Okay, so from here. Alright, so can you see the coast here? Where is it? Can you name the state which have a coast? Name them. Look at the western side of the map. Western means talking about this side, okay? Talking about this side, west, and this side, east. Okay, so look at the western side of the map. Where is the coastline starting from the west? Where is the coastline starting from the east? Now move to the south. Where are the two coastline meeting? Where are they actually meeting? The two coastline, where are they actually meeting? Okay, now you please listen carefully. Okay, so you see that now in pairs. Okay, now since you might be alone, so I want you guys to do like this, okay? That we have learned about what is actually Venn diagram, okay? So I will not be explaining to you in details again. So this is actually Venn diagram, okay? This is Venn diagram. All right, so what you have to do here is, as shown here, eastern coast, western coast. Similarly, you please copy this particular diagram, okay, into your notebook. All right, please copy this particular thing into your notebook. So write the name of the states which are part of east coast and west coast. So you do like this, okay? Write the name of the state here which are part of the eastern coast, and write the name of the state which are part of western coast. All right, and in the common area, right, where the two coasts meet. Now here you indicate, okay, in the middle, this portion. All right, in this common area you write where the two coasts, that is the western coast and eastern coast, are meeting. All right, so you write the name out here where both eastern and coast western are meeting. All right, okay, now coming back to activity discussion, okay? Which states are part of the east coast and which states are part of the west coast? So from the given map, which states are part of the east coast, which state are part of the east coast, and which states are part of the west coast, and where are they actually meeting? So you please listen carefully, okay? All right, so here you'll find, okay, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala are part of the west coast, whereas Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu are part of the east coast. All right, part of west coast are this state, okay, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala. These are part of west coast, okay, west coast. And east coast are West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. These are part of east coast. These states are part of east coast, okay? I hope now you are clear. All right, so here, so western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. All right, if you see the difference between them, okay, western coastal plain are straighter, they are straighter, okay, and eastern coastal plain are less straight. All right, western coastal plain are narrow, narrow means pointed, okay, whereas eastern coastal plain are broader, bigger. All right, and western coastal plain, they receive rainfall at the end of summer, whereas eastern coastal plain, they receive rainfall during winters. That is the difference between them, okay? One receive rainfall during the end of summer, another one is during winter. All right, and western coastal plain are less fertile than the eastern coastal plain, okay? In other words, um, eastern coastal plain are more fertile. All right, more fertile than the eastern coastal plain, okay? So this is the difference between them. One is fertile, eastern coastal plain is fertile, western coastal plain is not that fertile as comparing to western coastal plain, okay? So that is the difference between them. All right, so from which state do the western coastal plains start? At the north. So from the given map, okay, from which state do the western coastal plains start in the north? And the eastern coastal plain. All right, where do the two coastal plains meet? Point to Kanyakumari on the wall map. All right, so you will see here, okay, Kanyakumari in Kerala. All right, so it is located at the edge. All right, you will find somewhere around here, Kanyakumari. All right, so please listen carefully. Okay, can you see something special about this place? And see, as I've shown you right in the map, can you see something special about this place? And imagine yourself, okay, imagine you are standing at this point facing the Indian Ocean. All right, imagine you are standing at Kanyakumari. All right, and then you are facing the Indian Ocean. Okay, so that is, I want you guys to imagine. Okay, so imagine yourself, all right, that you are standing in the Kanyakumari, okay, facing towards the Indian Ocean. All right, what is to your east? What is to your east? What do you see in your east, and what do you see in the west? And in front, what is in front of you? Which of the two coastal plain is broader than the other? Is it eastern coastal plain or western coastal plain? And which one is narrower? Alright, is it eastern or the western? And why? Which coastal plain has more rivers flowing through it? Whether it's eastern coastal plain or western coastal plains. Alright, so please listen carefully, okay, to the explanation now. So you'll see that the western coastal plains start in Gujarat in the north, okay, and the eastern coastal plains start from Odisha. All right, so you will see that the western coastal plains start from Gujarat and the eastern coastal start from Odisha. Okay, so the two coastal plain meet at southern tip of India, which is Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. All right, Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so the two coastal plain meet at southern tips, means at the edge of the southern state. Okay, that is around here, as I've pointed you, in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. All right, so all these three water bodies which surround the India meet at this place. Alright, so the eastern coastal plain are broader than the western coastal plains. This is because more river flow towards this plain and makes their delta. Very few rivers flow towards the western coastal plain and do not make as big delta as the eastern flowing river. Alright, because you will see that most of the river they flow towards the eastern coastal side, okay, and very few river they flow toward the western coastal side. Because of that, here in the east it is broader, okay, the coastal plain is broader, and here it is narrower. All right, so that is the difference between them. Okay, so I hope now you are clear with it. So I'm just going to ask you another last question. Okay, so let's learn that the eastern coastal plain are said to be more fertile than the western coastal plain, as we have learned. Why do you think so? Why do you think that eastern coastal plain are said to be more fertile than the western coastal plains? So what can be the reason for that? Okay, now please listen, okay? So the eastern coastal plain are more fertile than the western coastal plain because more number of river flow towards the eastern coastal plain, okay, because more river flow toward the eastern coastal plains and they form big deltas. These deltas are very fertile. All right, so okay, plain as well as okay, fertility is there. Okay, so vegetables they grow more in the eastern side. All right, so that's it for our discussion for today. things to do. All right, so you have to complete your worksheet S1. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Please try to attempt all the 3 question. Okay, along with practice question number 4. All right, so practice question number 4 is your homework. All right, so you please do worksheet S1 along with practice question number 4. Take care, stay safe, and have a good day.